Monday tutorial on Google Calendar integration. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's begin this tutorial by opening our monday.com and make sure you have your account ready. On the dashboard, you can see integrations over here. Let's click that. Then on this page, you can scroll down and find the integration you want or type it in the search bar. So let's search for Google Calendar over here. Then here, you have 3 calendar options. Choose one that best fits your needs. Let's say I like this one. Just simply click the Use Template below. Then on this page, click Connect. Then select your email over here and click Continue. Right here, you can select what monday.com can access on your Gmail. So let's select all on the top. Then scroll down and tap Continue. Now here, you can customize this one. And once you're done, click Add to Board below. And there you go. Make sure to toggle on this one so you can link your events on monday.com to your Google Calendar. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.